Welcome to Joy Tales Part 2 at Little Steps Stories. Episode 1, Aya's New Journey. In the previous story, we saw that the earth goddess asked Aya to go across the mountains and fetch some herbs to help Mumba. And Aya agreed to go alone. Now let's see what happens further. While everyone was asleep, Aya began her journey towards the mountains. She had to fetch the herbs that would bring Mumba's strength back. If Mumba would wake up and know about this, he would never let Aya go. In the dark and quiet of the jungle night, Aya was the only one walking towards the mountains. I must go far away from the jungle before the sun rises. I cannot let anyone find me and stop me, she thought. After walking for hours, Aya had reached far from her jungle and closer to the mountains. At the dawn, as the sun rose high in the sky, Kwahu was on a lookout for Aya. Before all the animals could know, Kwahu wanted to find Aya safe. Aya knew that her sudden disappearance would worry Mumba and everyone else. So, she left a message for them in Mumba's den. On the stone wall in the den, Aya drew a mountain, herself on the top of it, and the earth goddess in the sky. She thought that this message will at least help Mumba, Kwahu, and Koko understand that she is somewhere near the mountains, is safe, and has gone there as a direction from the earth goddess. I couldn't find Aya anywhere in the jungle, said Kwahu in a low, scared voice. Where did she go? Replied Mumba in a weak voice, sounding worried. I want every corner of the jungle searched well. Call an animal meet right away, exclaimed Mumba. Kwahu called in all the animals for the meet and Mumba addressed them. I want each one of you to be alert and look for Aya everywhere. Peru, I want you to check on Leo and Taiga. Right away, be quick to report, Mumba told Peru. All the animals started looking for Aya. Taiga and Leo are still lying unconscious right where they fell after the fight, reported Peru. At least we don't have to worry about Aya being hurt by them, added Mumba. Where could she go? Mumba had no idea and returned to his den when he saw the drawing on the wall. Does this mean Aya is out alone near some mountains? Mumba wondered. Meanwhile, Aya had almost reached the mountain ranges. She could see the tall, huge mountains right in front of her. How will I find the right herbs? There could be many up there. How long will it take for me to climb up? Aya had many questions. Will there be animals up there? Will they be friendly or dangerous? She thought as she started climbing the mountain. Aya had no idea she was entering the land of a snow leopard. The mountains were going to be snow-laden from the top, which was a home to Nora.